The world of online shopping has two undisputed champions, Shopify and Instacart, each carving out a unique niche in the digital marketplace. These e-commerce giants have revolutionized the way we buy and sell, each dominating their respective spheres with innovative solutions and user-friendly platforms. Shopify empowers entrepreneurs to build online empires from scratch, offering tools and resources to grow their businesses, while Instacart brings the grocery store to our fingertips, making shopping for essentials more convenient than ever. But how do these platforms stack up against each other in terms of features, user experience, and market reach? This essay dives deep into the stats, business models, and overall impact of Shopify and Instacart on the e-commerce landscape. We'll examine their growth trajectories, user bases, and the unique value propositions they offer to both consumers and businesses. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform might be the perfect fit for your e-commerce needs, whether you're an entrepreneur or a consumer looking for convenience. Shopify has become synonymous with online selling, revolutionizing the way businesses operate in the digital age. The platform provides businesses of all sizes with the tools to create and manage their online stores efficiently. Shopify's impact on the e-commerce landscape is undeniable and far-reaching. Millions of entrepreneurs worldwide rely on Shopify to power their businesses, from small startups to large enterprises. In recent years, Shopify has experienced explosive growth, becoming a key player in the global market. Their user base has skyrocketed, fueled by the global surge in e-commerce and the increasing need for reliable online selling solutions. Shopify's intuitive interface, extensive app store, and robust marketing features make it a favorite among both seasoned sellers and aspiring entrepreneurs, providing them with the resources needed to succeed. Instacart has transformed the grocery shopping experience. No longer bound by store hours or long checkout lines, consumers can now order groceries online and have them delivered straight to their homes. This convenience has made Instacart a household name. Instacart's platform connects customers with a network of personal shoppers. These shoppers handpick items from local stores and deliver them within a designated time frame. Instacart's rapid delivery, wide selection, and partnerships with major grocery chains have fueled its meteoric rise. Section 4. Business Models. A tale of two platforms. While both Shopify and Instacart operate within the e-commerce realm, their business models differ significantly. Shopify operates on a subscription-based model. Businesses pay a monthly fee to access Shopify's platform and its suite of e-commerce tools. On the other hand, Instacart generates revenue through a combination of delivery fees, service fees, and markups on some grocery items. The company also earns revenue through partnerships with grocery retailers. Section 5. Which platform reigns supreme? Choosing between Shopify and Instacart depends entirely on your needs and what you aim to achieve. Shopify is the undisputed king for businesses looking to establish an online presence and grow their brand. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or launching a global brand, Shopify provides the tools to succeed, offering a comprehensive suite of features. Instacart, however, is the go-to platform for busy individuals and families who value convenience and time-saving solutions. Their on-demand grocery delivery service saves time and eliminates the hassle of traditional shopping, making life easier. In the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, both Shopify and Instacart continue to innovate and shape the way we shop, each excelling in their own domain.